Aria. Hi. You know what today is? Today you are 9 months old. Isn't that fun? Can you believe it? 9 months? Whew. I can't believe it. Yeah? Huh. So what have you learned in your 9 months? Yeah. You're so cute. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, are you gonna come over here? Oh, I have to back up. Ooh, oh, it's your book. That's your book. Here's your favorite book. Let me back up so we can see it. Yeah. You love that book, don't you? Oh. What? Hello. Yeah. In your little play area? Oh, what's that look for? Is that your doggy? Is that your doggy? There's your doggy. That's your doggy, huh? Yeah? You like your doggy, don't you? Yeah. You want to go give your doggy a kiss? Here, why don't you go give Buddy a kiss? Huh? You don't want to give Buddy a kiss right now? Okay. How about I give you a kiss? Okay, let's give you a kiss. Come here. Whoa, where are you going? I was going to come give you a kiss. Come here. Come here. A little closer. Oh, a little closer. Mwah. Yeah, you like that? Okay, say goodbye to everybody. Aria, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. We'll see you next month, okay? I love you.